Now, let's go to the ways that you can make the reader feel sympathy. First point is readers like to be moved or touched. So maybe some words that would just make your reader feel better, or maybe feel sad about the protagonist if anything happens to them. That could be one of the points. To show don't tell. So I've heard this a lot, and I decided to put this in this program because it's really important. Show don't tell. So when we say show don't tell, we mean that you write plots and scenes. Don't just tell what's happening, talk about that, and show the reader what's happening. Just go to the point already and show the reader and make them feel sympathy. That's our goal. For the third, speaking of goals, you have to make the protagonist or the characters work hard to reach their needed goals. So maybe when they're working hard, or maybe they're poor and working hard at a farm or anything, they want to find some food or anything, make them work hard to reach their needed goals and not their wanted goals. Needed and wanted are two different things. Needed is something that's really important and they need to reach. And wanted is just a want, something that's not really important to focus so much on. So the fourth thing is make quotes. And that's why Harry Potter's book is such a success in making the reader feel sympathy. I have been feeling sympathy for Harry Potter in one of her books. So she has made some quotes that just grab the attention of the reader and made them feel sympathy, made them feel just soft on the protagonist. So readers like to be moved or touched. That's really important. And a note to help you maybe brainstorm words that would make the reader feeling more soft on the protagonist. So making the protagonist go through hard times, that's one of the most popular choices. You can make the protagonist go through hard times and just work hard to reach their needed goals. Not wanted, needed. Make them work hard to reach their needed goals. If the protagonist is poor and must work hard, then that would do. That would be great. It would just motivate the protagonist and also the reader who's living the body of the protagonist to reach their needed goals. The second example, show don't tell. Don't just write and tell what's happening. Show the reader, make them live in the body of the protagonist, make them feel what it's really like to be the protagonist. So write the scenes and show what's the reader happening. Don't just write what's happening, show it. Write with your heart. That's what I always say, and that's what I will be saying.